This is the Tactacam Reveal X Pro trail camera, and this is its manual. In this video, we'll show you 10 things you need to know about this camera that you won't find in this manual. Drop the device. Get away from that keyboard. Step outside into SHredWorld. The manual tells you that this is the power enter button. What it doesn't tell you is to turn the unit on, you press quickly. To turn the unit off, you must depress the button and hold it a few seconds. This is identified as a USB-C port. The manual doesn't tell you that you can attach a card reader here to download stills and videos. The exterior battery port can be used to plug in an exterior battery or a solar panel charger. Can you use this camera without cell service, without a data plan? Yes. Just don't insert the SIM card. And don't activate the camera in the app. Insert the media card, make sure the antenna is on tightly, and turn the unit on. The antenna needs to be attached to keep condensation from entering the unit. Can you use this camera without an account? Yes. You do not have to have an account if you are using the camera as a regular trail camera. If I do have a data plan and an account, can I get stills and video through the app? Yes. But you need to have the correct firmware version. The camera mode must be set to pictures and video. The settings check should be instant, and the send type should be timely. Then open the app and click on the Home icon. Select either the photo or the photo of the video you would like to receive. Then find the HD button in the lower right-hand corner. Select it and you'll get this choice. In the settings specifications, you'll see PIR angle at 45 star. This means 45 degrees. PIR refers to the passive infrared sensor. Most of the icons on the camera status page are familiar. They include the number of files, battery strength, and signal strength. But this one shows how much of the card memory has been used. And this one shows you how long it's been since the camera checked in. And about that check-in time, you can't change it. You can turn it on and off, but the time is set at the first time the camera checks in. Here's one more thing. While the app shows a strong cell signal, our experience at the camera site was that we only had 1 or 2 bars. Our concern was that this would affect the camera's performance, but it hasn't. We're completely satisfied with the images we've received. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not like and subscribe?